Now, what financial reports are important to your accountancy firm? Comment below if you have reports which are important. Mine are all cash related, but why is that? Now, in my last video, I discussed how important cash was to my business, and why wouldn't it be? You can use cash to do all sorts of useful and cool things, like buy food to eat and pay your rent or your mortgage. It's especially important, cash is, when you kick off a firm with $20,000, aka your life savings at the time. You've got to know where your cash is. Now, each month I get a suite of reports automatically sent to me, with the most important one being the Statement of Cashflow. Now, the Statement of Cashflow is where it's at, and that's a nod to the song by Beck here. When it comes to the importance, cash flow statement is really important. But why is that? Because cash, of course, and the cash flow statement reveals the green bills in your financial piggyback at the end of a period, while the P&L report is like a show-off cousin or, your brother-in-law who brags about how much money they made during that same period, regardless of whether they've actually got any in their bank or whether they've collected it yet. Now, picture this: you sell widgets with generous pay later terms. Your P&L will flaunt the full widget revenue, while your cash flow statement will just show the cash from the widgets actually collected into your bank account, which might be far less than you actually think. Now, you might say, we don't sell widgets, we're accountants. Yes, but you got to remember, every example at university was about widgets. And you don't think the same rationale applies if you're an accounting firm with traditional WIP and invoicing and collection terms? If you're carrying WIP and then invoicing at the end of the job with maybe 30-day terms, when are you actually going to receive the money for your hard work? Now, don't get me wrong, I like the P&L as much as the next person, especially when the numbers are favorable for me. But I always think to myself that the P&L it's kind of like a photo album documenting your business journey, while your cash flow statement is really the financial map, which is guiding you through the twists and turns of your business's financials and where you're going. The cash flow statement tells you how much cash you have in your back pocket at any given moment. Without it, you're kind of walking in the rain without an umbrella, and if you live in Melbourne like me, that sucks. Don't be fooled by the flashy dollar signs on your cash flow statement either. It's not just about the amount, it's about the story behind the numbers. That's what truly matters. It's like reading a novel or your favorite business book. Sure, you can kind of skim through it, but the real intrigue lies in the details. Same for your firm, same for your clients as well. Also, if you want to do the easiest advisory work that you can for your clients, and something that is still numbers-based, i.e. everything that accountants have in their wheelhouse and that we're comfortable with, then a really good place to start is by analysing their statement of cash flow. Anyway, I'm Kane Munro, and if there's anything else you'd like me to cover about my time in accountancy and accountancy practice, DM me, email me via activeoutsourcing.com.au, or leave a comment wherever you're seeing or reading this. I'd really love to hear from you.